Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Pisces. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Pisces. Ace of Pentacles, Four of Cups, Queen of Wands, Ten of Wands, Two of Cups. Pisces, with these cards, I feel in this relationship with this person, you're really happy, content, how things are going. You have that mutual love and understanding, or this may concern, these energies may concern your work also, guys. You are happy where you are right now with your work, about your responsibilities. You are happy because you're putting in good efforts and you're getting the desired results, guys. Maybe for some of you all, this may concern your relationship. So this person and yourself, you have a very good understanding, mutual understanding, love, affection and intimacy is there, guys. And for some of you all, you may feel this relationship is burdening you because of the responsibilities, and it rests on your shoulders, guys, these burdens. And maybe you're feeling a little weary because of that, some kind of tiredness, some kind of emotional stuck feeling because of that, because you're going through the same kind of burdens in life again and again when you're in a relationship. So you're just thinking, you're taking time to reflect within yourself whether you need this situation right now. But you have a very good contented relationship, guys. And what to say, your person and yourself, you have a good relationship, but still you are thinking what to do about certain things. You don't know whether to take it forward with the strong commitment, or what should be done, and you're thinking within yourself and you're contemplating what should be your next course of action, guys. And though you have everything in this relationship, you have some kind of emotional blocks that is causing troubles today. Some kind of emotional block you're having. This may be because of your past, or this may be because of what to say, certain fears you have within yourself regarding the responsibilities that relationship carries. Maybe something of that sort, guys. So you're really worried, though this relationship is what you wanted, you are scared to take the next step, guys. So that is the energy here with these cards, guys. Let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards. It will give us a better clarity. Heart, child, house, birds, stock. So with these cards, guys, the energy is that this may be what to say, the burdens or responsibilities may be a reason you are scared to step forward in this relationship, or this may be your person's energy. They may be scared of responsibilities. That may be the reason they are staying away from these from this relationship, guys. Or it may be your energy, but something new is coming in. Maybe you are having a child, or your person is having a child. That may be the reason for this what to say fear, or some new job offer, or maybe you are moving out to a different place. That may also be the reason for this fear of responsibilities. Or for some of you all, it may be you may feel that this person is immature and they cannot handle this relationship well, and so that is the reason you don't want to go into this relationship, this committed relationship, guys. But you have that love, understanding, and that compatibility is there, but still you feel something is blocking you, guys, from having the safe, secure relationship, the comfortable relationship with this person. Maybe some of you all are discussing with your friends or family, or somebody whom you can trust with this situation, guys. You are taking counsel from them, what you for what you need to do, for what is your next course of action, what you want to do. Or maybe you are getting some information about this person, some kind of third hand gossip, something of that sort. That may also be the reason that you are just taking a pause in this relationship. You are just thinking, reflecting whether you need this, whether you want to go through this relationship. So that may also be the energy here, guys. But definitely something new is coming your way, Pisces. So it may be a new venture in your work. You may be taking up a new job, or you may be moving to a different place, or you may just get what you want. Maybe you want to start a family with this person, so that may be become successful, something of that sort. Or some kind of improvements in your life, something you are wishing for, some objects or some things that will improve your life. So you may get even that today. So that may also be the energy here, Pisces. Let us see what the angels are guiding us with today, guys. For Pisces, what is the angels' guidance? It's an angel card, guys. So the angels' guidance for today is maybe it is the time for us to heal, guys, in all levels, emotionally, physically, mentally, and spiritually. So sometimes we need to change our lifestyle, adopt healthy lifestyle. We do certain things to be healthy, to maintain our body. We exercise and we do detox. So sometimes the same way, to help ourselves mentally and spiritually, we can take up some healthy habits like meditation, just having some alone time to think within ourselves. So that will be very helpful to us, guys. That is the energy with this card. That is the guidance with this angel card. Maybe for some of us, even traveling will just rejuvenate our spirit, guys. So when we travel to a different place, to a beautiful location, we just lose ourselves in the beauty of the sceneries we see around us, and it will just help us to grow emotionally and spiritually, guys. So that may be the energy with these cards, Pisces. So that is what the angels are guiding us today. So we have to adopt some healthy lifestyle for us, for ourselves, to change for the better, guys. So that is the reading for today, Pisces. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Pisces.